Right from the start, I knew he was going to be the one that would see me through this whole project. I really liked his communication, his insightfulness. I felt that he understood me and exactly what I wanted. I felt his honesty and his forthright approach to things, and I just felt I would get the best opinions, the best ideas. And Craft Remodeling assured me that once all of the equipment was in that garage, they could get started, and it went from there. They wanted me to be absolutely happy with it, and they were always friendly and understanding, and at the end of every day, the place was immaculate. And it surprised me at how rapidly the project reached its completion. Any questions I had, Joey did tell me. I could call him and ask him. And I stayed in communication with him by text and email, and he would reassure me that we would make sure he took all the stress off. Yeah, it was totally stress-free for me. I wasn't at all stressed over moving into this house. What they tell you is what you're going to get. They will give you a timeline, they will help you with your budget, they will understand what your ideas are, and they will make it happen. I am absolutely at peace to call this my home and my final home. It is absolutely the most peaceful place I could be. The environment, the home itself, it's mine.